Two-factor authentication 2FA adds an extra layer of security to your Spotify account. Follow these steps to enable it quickly and easily. Step 1. Open Spotify app. Launch the Spotify app on your device or visit the Spotify website. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Navigate to your account settings. This can typically be found by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top right corner and selecting Account from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Find Security Settings. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Security or Privacy section. This is where you will find options related to account security, including two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Locate the option for two-factor authentication and toggle it on. You may be prompted to enter your password again for verification. Step 5. Choose your authentication method. Select your preferred method for receiving authentication codes, such as via SMS or an authentication app. Follow the prompts to complete the setup process. Once you have completed these steps, two-factor authentication will be active on your Spotify account, enhancing your security. Remember to keep your authentication method accessible for future logins.